start the recording. Okay, so now my recording is on, and today, first we will be discussing with a Linux file system. So, anyone have any idea regarding what is Linux file system? Anyone can explain something about that? Anyone can explain something regarding Linux file system? Okay, so today our agenda is Linux file system. So, anyone? Okay, so let me start. So basically, Linux file system is organized in directories like folders, which contains files and subdirectories. And each directory serves a specific purpose and helping keeping the system organized and secure. So now I will be breaking through all the file system, like what are the files that are available, file system that are available on the Linux. So first of all, we have our root directory. Okay, first we have root directory. Okay. Yes, I'm sharing my screen. Thanks for telling me. I 100% forgot to share the screen. Thanks. Okay. So first we have our Linux file system. In that, our first is a root directory. Like root directory is a top level directory. It's a Let me write. It's a top level directory. Root directory is a top level directory and it contains all the directory and the file, like whatever files, whatever system configuration files are available on the Linux, all comes under our root directory. So after root, okay, one second, let me give him the permission. Okay, okay. So after okay, screen 100% visible to everyone. Okay, okay. Okay, cool. So, root level directory is our top level directory, which contains all other directories. It contains all directories and files. Okay, so like its example on Windows, you can see C drive, but instead of a driver, it organized in a categories on a window. So only root and administrator user have the unrestricted access to this directory, like root directory. Until you don't give a sudo permission, you can't access root directory on a Linux. Okay, so after root directory, we have for second, we have our bin directory which is considered as a slash bin. So after root, we have our bin. Contains all the essential command line utilities. Like it contains all command line CLI utilities. And then we for third we have our and it's a main use to directly call the commands and confirming its location, like where it is. Like when you put slash bin directory, you will be getting the idea in which file or folder the command is stored. Okay, so one second. Again, give this some permission here. Okay, so after bin, we have our slash boot. Can anyone tell me what is under the slash boot file? Anyone? What is under the boot file? It's a boot loader file. Like it's a boot loader. Okay, so after bin we have our boot, and this directory hold the file which is required for the system boot, like before opening and closing the system, whatever file comes into the mind or comes into the system's mind is being is being stored in a bootloader. Like when you open a slash boot grub dot slash grup dot cfg, you will be finding this. Just after discussing few things, we will be moving there. And after anyone can explain something about bootloader or any issues with bootloader, or should we proceed further? Anyone have any issues till now? Or is not clear? Okay, so all the bootloader hold all the file which is required for the system boot. System boot means whenever you are opening your Kali Linux machine or any Linux or operating system, whatever file that is being used at that time to open that system comes under the boot file. Okay, hope you understand this, right? Like it often include Vim Linux or the complex Linux kernel or initial RAM disk images inside this, but it's a little high level thing, so you don't have to go into that. It's just considered a boot slash boot directory. Contains all the boot related files. Like whenever we are opening any our system, it come in use. So that's only. Then we have our slash deb. So, dev directory holds device files, like all the device files, like hardware devices, which allows our Linux to interact with other Linux files or other devices, comes under our dev file. And then we have our slash etc configuration. Till all the videos, we have gone through a lot of etc configuration. Anyone can tell me what is the use of a slash etc and what type of a file it contains? Anyone have any idea? Yes. It contains system wide configuration files and and scripts. It contains system configuration, CONFG configuration, and scripts. A lot of scripts, whatever we are using on a Linux or Kali machine. Mostly all they are in a slash etc folder. Okay, so then we have our home slash home. So what home? Anyone have any idea regarding what is a home and what are the things available on a home folder? Okay. Yes. In home directory, each user has a personal directory on in a home, and where we use our personal files. Like a username X would have their own home directory with subdirectories like document, download, etc. And other user have the same thing. So home directory is basically a user's directory or a user home directory on the things. And like after that, we have our lib. Uh, a second. After that, we have our slash lib. Anyone have any idea regarding lib? Yes. This directory, yes, stores all the libraries, like all the stored all the shared libraries, which is similar to DLL file in the Windows by sharing system binaries. So, lib contains all the uh, shared libraries. One second, let me write shared libraries. Shared libraries, and after that we have our slash media. So we will be going to all the many things are remaining, like have remained with slash media. Yeah, let me write the name. In practical we will be giving going through that, like slash media we have. Then we have slash opt. Then we have our slash proc. Slash PROC is used for a virtual file sharing, like a virtual file system that provide us information about running process and kernel details. Like when you go very much deep into the Linux, you need to go through all of them. But if you are a beginner level user, or if you are just here to learn Kali Linux, that will be not that much useful for you. But yes, if you want to increase your knowledge in a very much depth, you can consider learning all these stuff. So props is at 10, and after which is PROC is a virtual file system that provides information about running processes. It provides information about running processes, And after 10, we have our slash root directory. Everyone has, I think everyone has gone through root directory. Can anyone explain what is root directory? Anyone can explain what is root directory? You all are, yes, yes, it provides us root privilege accesses. 1 second, give me star here. Okay, so root directory, this is a home directory. This is a home directory. Whenever I'm putting a dir, just consider this is a directory, and the home directory for the root user, like all the sudo users or the are available here, like all the super users which is separate from other users in the home directory are available here on the root directory. And whenever you put the cd slash root, you will be inside the this folder, cd slash root, you will be into the root directory. Okay, so after root directory, we have our system bin, which is slash sbin. This is for our system bin. It contains. Okay, let me write this first. This is the it holds all the essential system binaries used for administrators, such as system repairing, and all the configuration files are available here. Whenever you are facing any issues and you are running any troubleshooting commands, all are into the um, system bin command. All troubleshooting commands and troubleshoot commands and system binaries are into our system binaries are in our system win command. And then we have our slash temp, which is for a temporary file. Let me consider slash temp, which is for the temporary file, and it is used to store all the temporary file which is being created by the applications. Like whenever we are using a simple nmap scan, and you simply scan and go through any result, and you just print the result and save that on your desktop. All this come into the temporary file until you have saved that in by taking the sudo permission. So all this comes into the temp and a temporary file is generated by the programs, like sometime installation program also we are doing, or sometime any scan we are doing, any result we are trying to save. All this comes under the tmp temp file. Okay, so and you can create temporary file using touch slash temp slash temp file to store all the temporary file whatever you are generating. And after that, we have a user file, which is slash user. Hope everyone have gone through a slash user file also, right? Anyone have any idea regarding user file? What it holds inside this? Can anyone tell me? Let me see the chats. What is contained by user file? Yes, yes. Yeah. So slash user hold all the application and utilities that is being accessible by user, and this directory has multiple subdirectory also, like user slash bin. It has like it has multiple subdirectories. It has multiple subdirectories. It has multiple subdirectories, like user slash bin we have. Then we have user slash lib, like a slash user lib we have in this. It contains all the libraries for the program, as we have seen previously, like lib contains all the user libraries. And then we have slash user share also here. And slash user share holds all the share data and the documentation. So let me switch to my Kali machine and do everything practically there. Okay, so hope anyone have any issues till now? Okay, okay. Anyone else have any doubt? Or we should go to examine some commands practically. Okay, 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 okay. Yes, let's go, and let me fire my terminal here. Okay, someone is still joining. Just give him the permission. It's recording. Okay. Yesterday I missed to record some session. That was also issue for me, but no problem. Today it's all working. Okay. Anyone all clear? Everyone? Anyone don't have any doubts till now? Okay. So listing file size and checking file sizes. So we can do this by using du. Like we are going to list all the files and check all the files. For that we will be pressing du hyphen sh and then our etc slash bin slash var. This is going to check all the disk uses and the system directories. But no such. Let me give sudo permission. Sudo su. Then I will be using this command. No solve. It's giving error. Let's check for system. Let's check for system logs. For that, we use our cat slash var. If I am putting any wrong spelling, you can tell me. And then we put log after. We put syslog. Yes. I'm putting a space here. Okay. No such files and directory. Any again? I'm putting any wrong command here. No, it's right. I don't think there is a log here. I can use less command here, less slash var logs or slash system log. That will be under going through the real-time logs, especially whenever we are running any useful servers and all this thing for the server administration. But I have not run all this command previously on my system, and that's why I'm getting because I have never checked this thing. Okay, so let me exit from a root user. I don't want to perform many tasks from a root user. Clear the screen. Okay, so let's start with the basic navigation, and after the end of session, we will be going through all this thing. To for a start, because I have firstly I had touched some advanced command. So let me start with very basic. So first of all, start basic navigation. And for this, first the very basic command is our ls command. Hope everyone know about this command ls. Everyone familiar with this command? Okay. Yes. So ls command it lists all the directory which contains files and when you put ls hyphen al hyphen a it display all the file including the hidden ones also because before this we are having only the when we put ls command we got all these things only but after that we have let me end this session. After ls hyphen a we have got all the commands in detail and when you put ls hyphen lh it will be showing you all the file size in a human readable format also all the file size whatever files we are having it has shown all the file sizes also here all the files are from the Rupankar name and the file sizes it has also provided then we let me when you put clear command it will clear the terminal for you. Hope everyone knows this command. And after that, we have our cd command to change the directory. It allows us to move between the directory user cd home and all these things. So let me move to my home directory. No, just put cd command, cd and set. Let me exit from here. It's not exiting. And whenever you stuck anywhere, you can simply put a hyphen control plus C to exit from all of this. From tomorrow, I'm going to use my keyboard. Yep. This is giving me a lot of stress while typing. And then we have our pwd command to display all the directory which where we are working. Like it shows all the current location and directory structure. Like pwd, is showing slash home and Rupankar, which is my current location of working. And then we have our tree command. Tree shows it displays all the directories and file in a tree-like format. Like before this, we are just getting everything in a regular form, but it's showing everything in a tree format and making it easier for visualizing and visualize the structure. Like in download folder, whatever we are getting, and then all these things. So let me clear this. Anyone have any issues regarding the tree command and any other commands, whatever we have run till now? Okay, okay. So tree hyphen L2 we can also do, like tree uh, hyphen L. Oh, sorry, I'm missing the option. Like I have to put two here also. Okay, so tree hyphen L2 also show the two level deep, like giving high level overview of every files and system. So if you need any high level overviews, you can press tree and let me clear the screen first. And then we have our echo command to print any message. Like whenever you are trying to output any text on the terminal or write in a file, you can simply do echo, and then you will be giving the file name, and then your thing will be done there. Then after that, we have our cat command, which display the file content into the file. Before that, let me start with the echo command. Echo, and then I'm trying to print hello, hello Raz, and I'm putting semicolon again because this is the message that is going to print, and then this, and let me give the file name, like it's a txt. Okay, so now it's done, and whenever you want to check like what you have written into any file, then you have your cat command, like a cat, and we have our what I have written, this file text file.txt. One second, till setting session recording clearly not good. Please clear that one. Okay, okay. This one I will be trying to clear. Right now I'm recording all the session on 720p. From tomorrow onward, I will be recording all the session in 1020p. I will be trying. Anyone have any other questions? Anyone have any questions? Or should we proceed further? Okay, okay. So let me. Okay, Janvi, you have any questions? Okay, okay. Okay, okay. So let me check what is inside the file. So for that, hello.txt. Now, when we put echo command and write anything, after that, whenever you put anything cat and after the file name, it will be showing you what is inside the file. So this is, and then we have our touch command. Like before that, I have gone in any videos also, but let's go through all the basic command in this session also. So we have our touch command to create any file, touch, and let me make a new file. Let's it's a test, and then we whenever you put rm command, it will be removing your file. Sorry, before showing, I have removed the, like, let me again make that, and then we have ls. Then our test file is clearly visible here that we have created. And when you put rm and then the file name, your file will be deleted. After ls, we can check that our here previously we are having our test file, but now, right now the text file is being deleted from here. So if I wish I want to delete text .txt again, I can put rm to remove the file. Then we have the file name, which is test and .txt, and And when you put ls again, now my text.txt is also not visible. So to remove any file, you can simply put rm command to remove the file. So let me clear the screen, and again we have our cp command. So cp command is used to copy. Right now I don't have any file, so make some again, CP just basically used for copy any files from any one file to another file. We use CP command here on a Linux terminal. We don't have any options to simply right click and copy and paste. So this command will be used for a copy file. And then we have our chmod command, like chmod. It gives the owner read and write execution permission to read and execute the other commands. Like if you don't have any permission to read and write any file, you can give this command. Like I'm getting C mode 7555 and file.txt. This is the file name. Right now I am having. Okay, let me create the file.txt first. Uh, touch test.txt I'm creating, and then I'm giving all the permission to this file, like chmod. My file name is test.txt. So now it has all the permission with this file. Like it can read and write, and all the seven permission it is having. Like if you just want to give the read permission, you can use chmod MOD 4 to just give the hyphen 4 for just to give the read permission. When you put 2, it will be giving the write permission, and when you get write 1 with the command, it will be having only execute permission with that. Okay, so everything clear, everyone? Any doubts, anyone till now? Okay, so let me see the chat again 1 second. Okay, okay. No issues. So let me move to a few networking command also, like while doing or scanning anything, we have to go through a lot of a networking command. So first, to check our IP address, we do ifconfig. This command gives you what is your IP address right now. This command will help you to know your IP address, your net mask, your broadcast IP, everything you will be getting uh, by using this command. This is your IPv6 address. So whenever you are scanning anything and you have to set your R host or R port, you can simply put ifconfig command to get your IP address. And then we have our ping command. Like whenever you are having any target, but you just want to check that the target is live or not, then you have your ping command to check the target is on or live or not. And you can also you will be also getting the idea of IP address by using this command. So let me check facebook.com. When I put I'm getting the Facebook IP address here. Like let me increase the terminal again a little bit. And this ping command is giving me the Facebook IP address. And stop this. Control plus C. By doing Control plus C, you can stop the running command of a ping. And this ping facebook.com is giving me the IP address of the Facebook, and it is also telling me that it's sending some packets from my computer to facebook.com server, and it's receiving it again back. So that's why the Facebook is live right now. It's not right. Now, it's live right now. It's not down. Okay, so let me clear this, and then we have our netstat. Like when you put a netstat, it shows all the network active connections. Like I don't want to show all the network connections, whatever device is active on my network. I don't want to show that. But when you put this, it will be showing all the net stat. It will be showing all the devices that is available on your network. So uh, let me shut down this command. You can check that on your own network. And whenever you put traceroute command, trace, second trace traceroute command, it will be display all the hope ways, like how the your traffic is going to any particular server. Whenever you put, like, let me put here google.com, it will let me know all the hope base, like how my traffic is reaching to google.com. I will be getting the idea of each and everything, like let the scan finish. Okay, so this is my it's not giving result. Why? Wait for a few seconds. Okay, so basically, traceroute will be giving you the idea, like from what server your request is reaching to any particular server. Like in my case, I am going to google.com. This is the IP address of a Google. From this is, I think this is my default gateway, and from this, it's not showing the complete detail, but many website, each and every website will be showing this. I don't know why this is not showing in my laptop. Okay, so let me clear this. And okay, so hope everything clear, everyone, till now. So let's move to yes, yes. So it's enough about basic commands of Linux. I don't think you have to know any more command as a basic out as a beginner. All these basic commands are more than enough for you. You just need to read and write, give the read and write permission to any file. You just, yes, a few basic commands, like how to update the system, how to upgrade the system, how to give the sudo permissions. These are the basic commands you everyone knows. So I'm not going more deeper into that. And if you face any issues, you can simply text me on a WhatsApp to get the solution of that. So now our main agenda is to move into the traffic capturing. Like traffic capturing is basically the process of intercepting and logging the network packets. Like let me switch to my whiteboard. Okay, so now we have our traffic capturing. Anyone can tell me what is traffic capturing? Yes, yes. Basically, it is the interception of all the data packets, whatever traveling on your network. Like you can simply monitor the traffic packets. You can capture the traffic packets. You can read all the messages from there. So a lot of the thing, lot of ugly thing you can also do from here, because it's a little advanced attack. You can consider it as an advanced attack because you are sitting in between the network, and you are monitoring all the traffic, whatever coming and outgoing in the entire network. And but the main thing is it will be helping you for a network performance related queries. It will be help you to troubleshoot the network problem. But on the other hand, hackers use to gain the password of any victim also. Because whenever you are putting any password or you are typing any information in your phone, yeah, that it is going throughout your network. It is moving from your phone to the recipient for or your target device, just by traveling through the network. And anyone is sitting on your network can capture that file, and can go through the file, like whatever the information is inside the file. That's why WhatsApp and many messaging system, like whatever we are using right now, they all allows encryption in that. That's why anyone, if captures our traffic or anyone capture our data packets, our data will be in an encrypted form. So it will be taking a lot of time to encrypt the data. But yeah, if the person knows the encryption and decryption, it's not that much hard for them to read your messages and text. So that's the basic use hackers are taking of traffic capturing. And in networking, like if you are a network administrator, and if you want to troubleshoot the problems that is coming in your IT infrastructure, you can also take part of the traffic capturing to go through them. So there are two very famous tools we have. Like first tool we are having is Wireshark, that today I am not going to discuss because it's a huge tool. And I think it's required a dedicated video on that, a dedicated session on that. So a day after today or tomorrow, I will be discussing Wireshark in detail. Today I am just leaving the scope till tcpdump only. So the two very famous tool, which is Wireshark and tcpdump, we will be looking for our traffic capturing. So first, this is having our Wireshark interface. Everyone, my Wireshark interface is visible to everyone. Okay, okay. So this is how Wireshark looks like. Here, all the files, whatever you can open all the files, and when you press here, it will start capturing the file. Like right now on my Wi-Fi network, it will be a start capturing. It will take some time to start. Let it start. So you will be getting like how it works. Start giving some time to start with that. Don't know why it's taking that much time. Let's just move that back, and we have a this is our Wireshark is 100% CLI based, but we have our one. Someone is joining right now. Okay, so Wireshark is a completely web interface, but TCP dump is a CLI based tool that we will be using. Like the purpose of traffic capturing, everyone know like what is the purpose of traffic capture? Yes, yes. So basically, the purpose of traffic capture to enable monitoring to the network packets. Like we can monitor that. You can analyze all the traffic packets through that. You can troubleshoot all the packets. You can capture the. Many hackers use this for a malicious purpose to capture and get the information through that. So these are the basic things here. Like by troubleshooting network issues, by identifying delays, we can get the drop packets, like what are the packets they are dropping, and then you will be getting a lot of ideas from there. And we have discussed about the tool, this is a very, and now it has started capturing the packets here. Like uh, I can let me use my phone that is also on the same network, and search something on a Google. Like I am again searching Quick Watch. Okay, so this is my new device is connected here, and you can't get the clear message here, but somehow you will be getting the idea. Like this is my VMware machine. From here, whenever I am switching to Google Meet, it's giving me a data there. Like it's pinging to all of your devices because some connection is being established from my network to all of your network. All the data traffics are here. It's not that much important to leak everyone's IP. So let me close this first. Yes, no, no, I am not quitting that. Cancel. And let me minimize this. And today we will be just discussing about TCP dump. Like Wireshark has a lot of features, and it's a more advanced tool. But TCP gives you everything um, on your CLI. That's why I'm using TCP here, only here. Okay, so TCP dump is a command line tool for capturing and analyzing the network packets, and it's a lightweight. Like it's a very lightweight. Whenever you are opening your Wireshark, it takes some time, but TCP dump is very fast here, and it's very much ideal for a quick capture, and it also saves your packet in a very interactive way. That's why I will be using TCP dump here. And the most lucrative thing with a TCP dump is it's a command-like interface. Like it allows the flexibility and integration with a script also. So that's why I'm using here. So first, start TCP. To start with a TCP, you have to put sudo, then sudo TCP dump, hyphen I, and then I have etho. Okay, so now it started the capturing the packets on my own interface, like all the on my local network. It's started the capturing the packets on my network, like whatever the traffic going from my own network, it's starting capturing, and you can get a lot of insights from there, like from which this is showing the MAC address, like from which MAC address, this is the IP address from where this is the destination IP, and this is the length of the packet. So from which MAC address, using which IP, the what type of a data is going where, it's showing all these details here. Is anyone doing same thing with their own PC or laptop, or everyone is just watching the video right now? Okay, okay. Yes, yes. Make sure to proceed everything together with me. That will be helping you a lot. Like when you do Control C, it will be all the packet will be dropped, because I don't want to capture each and everything that is on my network. I just done this for demonstration purposes. And after that, we can also apply a lot of filters here. Like when you put let me put TCP port 80. Let me put that. So let me use port 80, TCP port 80. So when you give a specific port name, it will be just capturing all the traffic on a HTTP protocol only. I don't know. Can you please close your mic? Okay, someone has opened his mic, so please. Okay, okay. So yes, yes. I'm putting wrong command. Let me clear this. First, let me. You can also capture first a 10 packet on your network, like to get the idea. If for a quick check, like your network is on or not, you can use sudo tcpdump. I'm coming back to that. Just give me a few seconds. Let me show this command also. Hyphen C and this is just specifying that you are just targeting first 10 packets to capture, and then you are putting the interface name here. And this is my yeah, I am right now using Ethernet cable, so I am putting etho here. You can also, if you are, you can see what is your interface by simply putting ifconfig command. It will be showing you your interface. Like right now I am using Ethernet, that's why it's Etho. In many cases, who are using a mobile network or some Wi-Fi connection, that can be Walno also. So for that, if it's showing Walno, you have to just simply put Walno on the name of a Etho. So that is the simply case here. And this command is just simply capturing the first 10 packet. Like what? Yes, yes. Tell me. Yes, yes. Walno, like WLNO 0, like or WLN 0. You can use that whenever you are using a mobile hotspot. And if you are using Wi-Fi connection or Ethernet, then you can use Etho. And these are just to scan all the first 10 packets from my network. Like the first 10 packets I want to capture, and this is just giving me a quick check, like my packets are my network is on or not, and what's going on in my network. So let me clear this. And again, if you want to save the captured file, there is a simple command which is sudo. Because every let me give sudo permission first, so that I don't have to put. No, no, I don't want to do anything in a sudo. Okay, so let me do sudo tcp dump -i etho, and I'm giving w parameter here to capture the file, and this is the my file name where I have to capture, like capture.pcap. This is the format to save the file, like whatever result you will be getting through the scan on your Ethernet on your local network. That will be captured in this file name. So when you put, it will start scanning, and like it has shown, like it has taken a snapshot of 262144 bytes. When you put Control C, and when you if you want to see like what are the packet that is inside this file, like if you want to open this file, like capture dot pcap, you simply put sudo tcp dump hyphen I etho w capture that this is to capture the file of going into the file. Simply put tcp dump tcp dump hyphen r and the captured file name. Like this will show you what is inside the file that you have captured. So uh, it's nothing was saved because I was not running any scans previously. But if you are running as any scan and you then you put this command, all the result will be saved and you will be getting by using this command. So till now, anyone have any doubts? This is the file name here. Like it saves all its file in a pk a dot pkab format. Okay, so it's no. If you are putting txt here, that will be making a, txt file, and then it's very hard to get the result from that. So because in txt format, that will be there will be a very hotspot like situation. So that always try to capture in a pkab format. You can do whatever format you prefer, but TCP allows to capture that in a dot pkab format only. So I will suggest you to go with a dot pkab format only. Okay, so any other questions? A PCAP is an extension only, not no full form. It's a extension. Yes. Extension for capturing the TCP dump file here. Yes. So to capture packets from a specific host, like if you want to capture any file from a specific host, you can simply put sudo TCP. Like you can capture any file. Like let's consider on your network you are having 5 to 10 devices, and you want to monitor any specific device. Like consider a device on your network, and you just want to monitor only one device traffic. You can put sudo I just give permission to someone who is joining. Okay, to scan to the specific host, just put TCP dump hyphen I etho. I'm on always on etho, and then the host you have to define. So let me define. This is a host on my network. I think it's my phone. So let me enter this command. It will be start getting the traffic on of the specific host that is you have defined. It will not consider all the host details here. So I'm scanning this. Right now, my device is not sending any packet and receiving any packet. That's why I'm not getting any result. But if you just gone through all the devices that is connected to your network, and when you put this command, you will be getting the idea like what is the specific user is using and what are the website he is visiting. You will be getting a clear idea using this command. So you can monitor a lot of stuffs from here. So let me exit from this because zero packet captures because that was not in a working condition. As I don't want to expose the IP, so that's why I have done this. Let me clear this. Okay, so everyone understand what is the use of capturing packet from a specific host? Anyone have any doubts till that? Okay. Okay, so we have gone through capturing any specific port, capturing any specific host we have learned. Now you can even capture from any specific ports, any specific port also. Like you can capture traffic from any specific machine. Now we will be trying to capture traffic from any specific port, and for that you have again your sudo TCP sudo TCP dump hyphen I hyphen I etho. Then we have our port and let me give the port name 80. So this was the command I was using previously, but I think I have to put some more uses here. I is defining the I am also coming in all the things like what is I is defining here and all this. Okay, so here we will be just capturing the traffic from a specific port here. Like whatever the data is traveling from this specific port, you can monitor that. And all everyone knows like port 80 is HTTP port, and that is not that much secure. So all the data may be not encrypted, traveling not encrypted from there. And so you will be getting a lot of ideas there. Like whenever you are sitting on any public network, you can run this command to get a lot of information from there. Right now, there is no any active TCP port on my local area network. That's why I'm not getting any result. But yes, if you connect and this command can create a lot of damages also. So always try to use this command in a very always try to use this tool in a very monitored manner, and don't try to do any malicious thing after getting this thing, because this tool gives you a lot of power. So don't don't come under any legal steps. Hope everyone understand, because I don't want to see anyone in any illegal circumstances. So just monitor everything privately, and don't expose the result if you get some anything unsecured on any network. Just uh, try to report to the admin of that network. Okay, till that everyone clear like how to scan for any specific port. Everyone clear with that? Okay, when you put history command, you will be getting all the commands, whatever you have used till now. So you can get this, and you can go through all this command. Like I can share you the cheat list, but yes, it's better you practice together with me, because I put commands randomly, whatever comes in my mind. So it's impossible to make a notes of all that. But yes, if you anyone wish, he can take the notes, like whatever command I am using here, I will be providing the note for that. Okay, so whenever you put hyphen history hyphen c, all the previous command will be cleared. But I don't want to clear all the thing, because I have to provide that in your notes, so you can get that. Okay, so you can also scan for in a same way, like I'm putting my website. It's a port 80. You can give any port name here. Like if you want to scan for port 21, you can scan here any port number you can give. Like there are the 65,000 plus ports. You can put any port number here, and you can go through there. And we can also scan for a TCP and UD ports, TCP and UDP ports. So till E we are equal, and then simply put a TCP. So when you put a TCP, it will be a start scanning for a TCP and DCP traffic, like all the TCP packets and TCP traffic, it will be a start capturing. Again, I no other than this device, I don't have any other device. Let me open my file frame, and Rapid 7 I have to go. Okay, so now let me check any. Okay, so now as I have gone through any website, there is a lot of data is being captured here. Like let me minimize my Firefox, and it when you go through the result, it will be also giving you what is the website we have gone through, and a lot of sensitive data it exposes. So let me stop this and clear this terminal. So so hope you understand. Like any device, if is that is connected, you can get a lot of information using these commands. So anyone have any doubts till now, or should we proceed further? Because I have to make the legality of the class, so that's why I'm not showing everything. But yes, everyone is knowing the command right now. You can practice in your home, or you can practice on your own machine, and you can go through all the results. Right now, you know the things what you need to do. Okay, everyone, any doubt till now? Okay, okay. Even we can capture data from packets based on the destination IP. Like you can simply provide the destination IP, and from there you can start capturing the data. This is the little advanced stuff, but let me show this because TCP dump. I'm trying to capture data based on the destination IP. So my hyphen I TCP dump hyphen I etho is same etho. Then I'm just giving a parameter destination here, and let's ping. Okay, just giving give a hypothetical IP address here. So which is 192.168.1.20 I'm giving right now. Okay, so let's check what happens with that. Until we are not not going to any website, it will be not showing. But yes, it this command will showing you all the packet that is captured by the destination IP, like a specific IP address. It will be start capturing, and you can also scan through the range of IPs. Like if you want to scan the range of IP, you can simply put NEST. Uh, Net parameter here, and you can that's how when you put /24, this will become the range of IPs, and you can go through there. Just simply put 1.0 here. Hope everyone is done with the subnetting here. Okay, so now it become a range of IPs, and you can also start capturing for the range of IPs. Like you can start capturing the data. Like if there is 20 to 30 devices that are available on your device, in a one go you can start scanning to the all the devices, like whatever the data is from which IP to which IP addresses, all the data is moving on the network traffic. You can start monitoring. So this is I'm not going to show expose everyone. So but this is a very powerful command to scan the range of IPs here. Okay, so anyone have any doubts? Should we clear this? Yes, yes. Entire subnet. It will capture traffic for the entire subnet, like all the IP ranges from 192.168.1.0 to your last IP, which is from 192.168.1.255. As we know that there must be 255 devices on any specific IP range. So it will be start scanning from 1.0. You can also um, do this command in this way. Like if you are not putting /24, you can simply put uh, this and okay, okay. 1 second. Let me this, and then you can simply put 192.168 dot dot 1.255. 1.255. This is the entire range. Like whatever the device in between that, it will be a start scanning. It's visible to everyone. Okay, okay. So you can simply put /24 to scan the entire range, or you can simply give this parameter also. But this is a very okay and lucrative and more professional way to go through /24. That's why I'm not putting the entire range here. You can scan monitor the traffic of any specific IP address. You can monitor the traffic of entire IP addresses. So this tool gives you a lot of a power. Uh, to do in your real life. So, anyone have any doubts? Okay, okay. So, even you can capture all the ping packets here. Like when you put ICMP packets, ICMP packets, you can also go for like sudo or TCP dump, TCP dump hyphen I, which is etho. Sorry, my bad. Etho, and then we have our ICMP. So when you put this command, it will be it will filter all the ICMP packets only, which is used for ping and network diagnosis. We have used like previously we have seen that when you put when you ping any device, we are just checking that this device is working or not. So for these purposes, you can start a scan. Again, I can show this from my Firefox, but it's not necessary to get into every detail. Just know the command and you are done. Okay. So any other doubts or should we proceed further? Like there are a lot of stuffs you can do and a lot of damages you can do. So till now we have seen first command. So till now we have seen how to capture all the packets on our Ethernet local network. Then we have captured only 10 packets. Then we have just saved the packets. Like let me write what are the things we have learned in TCP packet scanning. So in TCP packet scanning, first we have learned because these are one second. First we have learned how to capture the packet. Okay, first we have learned how to capture the packet. Then second we have learned how to capture 10 packets only. Capture 10 packets, and let me decrease the size a little bit. And in third we have learned how to save packets. How to save packets. In fourth we have learned how to read packet. Yes, yes, how to read packets we have learned. So that you get the idea like whatever thing you have done when you go through this list you will be getting the idea like what are the command you have to use when, and then we have go through how to capture a specific capture a specific IP packet. Then we have gone through capture a specific port packet, capture a specific port packets, and then we have captured traffic from a specific capture from a specific IP source IP source IP. So in all this thing, anyone have any doubts, or should we proceed further? Anyone till this? Anyone have any doubt? Okay, we have also captured packets on our subnet. Anything missing? Or I have mentioned everything, whatever we have to. Oh, okay, okay. We have also captured our ICMP packets. Okay, so till now we have gone through all this thing. Captured. Okay, okay. You can do TCP sync flag capturing also. You can capture all the packets which is smaller than a few bytes. So let me show this very beautiful command to you, all of you. Like if you want to capture only a smaller packets, you can simply put TCP dump. TCP dump. Let me move back and clear all these things. TCP dump interface I hyphen I am giving this parameter, and when you put etho less parameter you just have to put, and less 100 when you put this you don't have. Okay, okay, give me, so let me give sudo permission also. Sudo is set. Okay, so let me open my Firefox. Okay, okay. Someone is on my device, and all the packets, whatever it's filtering here, is less than 100 bytes. So if you just want to capture the only a smaller length packets, you can simply put this command to capture the packets, so which is in a few less bytes. Okay, so let me and clear the screen. Okay, so till now, anyone have any doubts? And whenever you get any issues in any command and you are not going to understand that, simply put TCP dump hyphen help. It will be showing you all the parameters together with the version. Like This is the latest version of a TCP dump, whatever we are using right now, and it provides a lot of specific information here, like from A, like this hyphen A provide us the detail, like what are the contents in the packet, which is in ASCII format, and it's very much useful for analyzing and readable text. So that's why we use whenever we put a TCP dump hyphen etho hyphen A command, it analyze for all the ASCII and capture all the ASCII HTTP traffic it will be capturing. And after that, we have our B. It defines the size, like a B print, the autonomous B is used for autonomous system and for all the IP address, and it is useful when you are doing any network diagnosis. So you can simply put hyphen B at that time, and C is for counting, like it limit the capture to a specific number of packets. And let me give an example with hyphen C. So let's use TCP dump. TCP dump. First, I have to give parameter hyphen u etho, and then I am okay. I'm using giving hyper to count the packet. Let me use hyphen c command here, and let the count to packet is 10 hyphen I and the etho. It's really hard to remember all the TCP dump commands, but yes, things are like this, and you have, if you want to become a hacker, you have to go through all these steps. There is no shortcuts here. Okay, so when you put this command, it will be limit the capture to 10. I can limit the capture. We have seen this command, like let me limit the capture to the 100, and when you put, you don't have permission, you have to give sudo permission before, and then you have to use this command. Okay, so it will be start capturing for the first 100 packets, as we have seen earlier. Hyphen C limits the capture to the specific number of a capture. Like whatever parameter you will be giving here, you can capture for first 1,000 packet. You can capture for first 10 packets. So that's how you will be doing. So anyone have any doubts in hyphen C mode? Hyphen H. Okay, so then these are very basic things you all can go through, and it's around 1 hour and 30 minutes. So let me end the session here, and a lot of stuff. Just practice TCP dump as much as you can. It's not what command echo instead of a mobile hub etho that is one. Okay, so anyone have any doubts, or should we end the session right now? Anyone? Okay, so there is a lot of things to practice in practice with a TCP dump. So go through all of this, and tomorrow we will be having a session with on a Wireshark, and then we will be proceeding with our Drop suite and other advanced tools. Okay, so learning TCP is not TCP dump is not that much easy. It's a really vast and hard tool, because very long commands is available in that. But yes, if you want to learn, you have to go through. There is no shortcut in all this command. So try to go through that. When you go through all the commands for 2 to 3 times, so you will be understanding each and everything. So don't worry about that. It hardly take 2 to 3 revision. Yes, yes. After capturing the traffic, like if you understand how to capture the traffic, you just need to learn little bit encryption and decryption to go through the traffic and read all the thing. Tomorrow, like in the next session, I will be going through the Wireshark, and I will be teaching you how to read the traffic of captured by TCP dump, and how to read the traffic which is being captured by our Wireshark machine. So in next session, we will be learning that how to read all the traffic data. And if you make if you want to reach up to some advanced level, you just need to learn some encryption and decryption techniques to go through all these things. So that is not into the scope of the course, but I will try to tell you as much as possible. For me, I will be try to demonstrate and teach you. So don't worry about that. Tomorrow we will be reading the data, and in that data, there all this data like all the password and username is also contained in all the traffic. So they all are in encryption format only, but everything is available in on the packets whatever you have captured on the network. So you can understand what the hell all these informations are, and what how much damages you can cause to anyone if you wish, and how much sensitive information is all of this. So try to be as much as legal you can, and don't harm anyone, and learn just to make the society more secure and more reliable. Okay, so that's all for today. We'll meet again on tomorrow. Tomorrow we will be having another session.